In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from eBay to Payoneer. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just starting out, managing your earnings efficiently is crucial. And setting up a direct withdrawal from eBay to Payoneer can simplify the process significantly. Let's dive into the steps to make this happen smoothly. First, log into your eBay account. Once you're in, navigate to the My eBay section, then go to Selling. This is your control center where you manage all your sales activities and transactions on eBay. Next, click on Payments. This is where you can manage how you receive your money. As you browse through the payment section, look for the payout method option. Once you find it, click Manage. This is an important step because it's where you set up and control the method through which you'll receive your funds from eBay. Now, to add a new payout method, click Add Payout Method. You'll be presented with several options, and here you'll choose Payoneer. Payoneer is a trusted global financial services company that allows you to send and receive funds internationally, perfect for sellers who handle cross-border transactions. After selecting Payoneer, eBay will guide you through a few steps to connect your Payoneer account. This might involve logging into your existing Payoneer account or creating a new one if you don't have it yet. Follow these steps carefully to ensure your account details are accurate, which helps prevent any payout delays. Once you've successfully connected your Payoneer account, eBay will ask you to complete a quick verification process for security. After your Payoneer account is verified, you're all set. eBay will start sending your earnings directly to your Payoneer account. You can also choose your preferred payout schedule, daily, weekly, or another available frequency that fits your business needs. And that's it. You've now connected your eBay account to Payoneer. You can rest easy knowing your earnings will be handled efficiently. Managing your eBay payments through Payoneer is not only simple, but also a great way to keep your financial transactions organized and streamlined. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful e-commerce tutorials.